Hey guys, good morning. So today we're gonna wake up and go for a run, which I already did. Then we're gonna go start our day. Sorry, so much noise. Hey guys, good morning. So today we're gonna wake up. Today we're gonna go check out the Goodwill first. I'm a little out of breath, sorry. Check out the Goodwill first. After that, go watch a movie. It's on Movie Pass, so I'm eager to use it again. It's a movie I've been wanting to watch. Sorry, so much noise. And I'm gonna go ahead with my babe to just record more B-roll for my videos. So I'm very eager for this day to start. Very happy, and here we go. So my movie starts at 12:30. It's called Lady Bird. It's 11:15, I believe. So I'm gonna make it quick. So I can go home, shower, and then just rush over to watch my movie. So I've been wanting to watch it for a while now. I think it's, I don't know, like over I think 3 weeks since I wanted to see it. And finally the day has come for me to watch it. Free, of course, using my Movie Pass. Usually the guy section has better shirts. Happy I was able to make the movie. I'm gonna show you some Star Wars. So I got my movie already. Well, my movie ticket. I don't know why she put in, I guess, Movie Pass, but I don't know why. Oh my goodness. Yes. Beautiful. That's downtown LA. Here it is. My Lady Bird ticket. Watching the movie. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a little chilly. I didn't bring my sweater. I thought it was gonna be a lot warmer. That's why. But it gave me so many like tugged at my feels a lot. both ways. I enjoyed it. I'll talk about it more when I get home because I don't want this traffic noise to come out. But it was a nice movie. It was like reading a good book. It leaves you with a feeling. Leaves you with everything with this girl. But like I said, I'll talk to you more about it at home. Right now, I'm gonna book it home because I have to meet my babe at work. Very good. Very good.
Oh, come on, come on. Go, go. Ended up only eating spaghetti because it's faster. Oh, I just didn't have time. I literally should have left 20 minutes ago. But we're gonna get there, okay? I have to be there by 4. So I'm gonna take my scooter and we're gonna turbo it time, okay? Bye.
If you do not believe me, yes, a scooter with a cup holder. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. I have all my gear. I don't know if you can see it. So I put on myself and I managed not to fall. Oh. Let's try. And that's all I'm recording on the scooter because I don't want to fall. Finally made it. Just waiting for my baby to get out. This is everything I brought. Scooter, backpack. I have my 2 cameras here and the tripod. There you go. Sorry, I forgot. My back kind of hurts because of the tripod. But yes, a little snack. There was a gift for me. Purple mix.
The god of war Ares goes through a series of events that bond
But I see you.
God and also cause
Hey guys, so we are back. I went with my babe. We were gonna go and shoot, but we weren't gonna make it because of traffic and the sun was going down really quick. Now it sunsets at 4:30, so we're just at home watching some videos, just took a quick nap, and then that's it. So about the movie was really good. I actually really enjoyed it. It was about a coming-of-age movie about a girl. She's in high school, just going through all these things, and I just saw little bits and pieces of like, oh shoot, that reminds me of this, that reminds me of that, like little throwbacks. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I've always seen her face really like porcelain smooth. In this movie, since she is playing a teenage girl, she had like lots of little scars. I really, I appreciated those scars because as you can tell, I also have like little scars here. What I'm gonna do is probably just heat up the baked potato, the one I didn't eat, so I'm gonna eat that. While I'm eating, I do like to, obviously like anyone, watch Netflix or YouTube videos. I especially very fond of this podcast, Star Wars Connection. There you go. I get so excited when they post, so I definitely recommend them, guys. Subscribe, check out some of their podcasts. It's all about Star Wars, all these theories and what have you. So much for watching my vlog. Comment down below what you want to see more, what you like, what you didn't like. Subscribe if you haven't already, guys, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.